I got a question for you. Do you ever wake up in the morning and you feel congested? Well, my car's congested right now. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna fix that. We're gonna make it breathe a lot better. A lot of people boost it to force more air into the engine, but that costs a lot of money. We wanna do it naturally. I wanna keep my car in A for now. So we're just gonna upgrade the air intake system and that should fix that issue, at least for now. The first thing we're gonna do is undo the sensor right here. I already did that off camera. And then we're going to undo the sound tube right here, the sound tube generator. I'm gonna unclamp it from here. There's a 10 millimeter bolt somewhere around here. You'll see, I'll figure it out.
Purchase your tracks today.
Righty tighty, lefty losing, all right.
Yeah, there's a lot on there.
You need to reuse this. I need this though.
Throw it.
No, I can't. I need that sensor.
Alright guys, this is what it looks like.
A bit of a hiccup here. So let's put this back.
It's all the way in there? Yeah. Ooh, man, hot. Give me the AC.
Yes, we do. For content purposes, I'm going to show you what the stock airbox looks like. Look at how dirty that is. Dirty. It's going to filter air a lot better. A lot more room for it to circulate in the box with this one here. So this is the sensor. You need this. Now it's time to put the bushings. We're gonna reuse them. Two of them at least. I'm gonna give this an airtight seal. There's a grommet that comes in the kit. That's of course sealed. You want to cut it, wrap it around the sensor harness, and you're gonna put it in this spot right here. Nice and airtight. You see the grommet opens up? I don't know if you can see, but it opens up right there. So you want to put it in between these things right here. By the way, guys, we're putting in the sensor. Now, I'm gonna put the air box in there. And this right here is supposed to do it a specific way. So when you're putting this filter in, you want to make sure that you have only 1 inch of space between this and the intake. 1 inch. Love to see it. My grandfather taught me this. You never tighten one thing all the way. You want to do it like this. It makes sense. Kind of like the same reason that you don't bolt one lug nut when you have 5. You go in a star-shaped pattern, right? There we go. All the way.
You broke it. You need regular pliers.
Smart man, Peter. Smart man.
Oh! Oh, you see those sparks?
can't do it with my hands. There we go. You wanna make sure, look, this cannot go anywhere. Okay, that's tight. This cannot go anywhere either. Nice and tight. She sounds beautiful, boys. All right, guys, so appreciate you very much for watching. This was just a short and sweet video. It's actually a very good mod because now my car is gonna breathe a lot better, like I explained in the beginning of the video. There you go. Shout out to P Magic for, you know, being here with me. Appreciate you for watching. Stay tuned for the next one.
The only way we know to go.